This video will show you how to use the Simplified Permissions view of the Permissions Explorer tool in OpenText Content Server to quickly compare and change permissions for items within a container. For example, let's use the Permissions Explorer to make sure that only managers have write permission for the Q1 report in the Sales folder. First, we need to make sure that the administrator has given us the Permissions Explorer usage privilege, and that we have full control permissions for the Sales folder and all its contents. Then, we'll go to the Q1 report and open the View Permissions page, and then click the Permissions Explorer button. When it opens, we'll see the default view called the Simplified Permissions View. It shows the parent container at the top and then lists the child items, including their users, groups, and permissions. The color-coded indicator bars help show any differences in permissions. If the permissions match the preset levels, then the None, Read, Write, and Full Control labels will appear. Any permissions that differ from the presets are labeled as Custom. Any items with permissions that differ from the parent container are flagged with the Differ from Parent icon. To check the differences, you can expand the parent container. Here, the Q1 report is marked as differing from the parent. The owner and admin have full control, the managers group can write, other users and groups can read, and the dev group has custom permissions. We want to restrict write permissions to only the managers group, so we'll change the dev group permission from custom to read by clicking the permission label. Thank you for watching.